AI is evolving faster than we can blink, and while some tools are changing the world, others are just plain weird. Today, I'm showing you 5 of the strangest, most mind-bending AI apps you'll ever see. And trust me, it gets weirder with each one. First up, Artbreeder. Imagine blending a human with an alien, or a dog, or even a tree. This AI lets you morph images in ways that are beautifully bizarre and sometimes deeply unsettling. You start with a normal face and end up with something straight out of a fever dream. Honestly, I'm not sleeping tonight. Next up, we have Runway ML. It looks innocent, just a video editor, until you start removing objects, changing skies, or even generating frames that never existed. It's like bending reality without touching a camera. Look at this, I'm standing in my room, and now, boom, haunted forest. It's like Photoshop, but for actual life. At number 3, Deepfakes Web. Take your face, stick it on a movie character, and suddenly you're Darth Vader telling Luke you're his father. It's hilarious, until you realize how easy it is to fake everything now. Deepfakes are cool, but also a little scary. Imagine not being able to tell real from fake anymore. Number 4 is one of my personal favorites, Character.AI. Ever wanted to talk to Tony Stark, Naruto, a random wizard from a forgotten dimension? Character.AI lets you chat with fictional or totally made-up characters powered by eerily smart AI. The conversations get deep, fast. One second you're joking, the next they're giving you life advice. It's like therapy, but your therapist is Batman. And finally, Voicemod's AI voice changer. Imagine telling a story, and halfway through, your voice transforms into a haunted doll or an alien overlord. And there you have it, 5 of the weirdest AI tools that somehow exist right now. To see how Elon Musk almost ended the AI race, click this video. See you there.